Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. I hope you all are well. I am your IT teacher and this is grade 5th IT. So I would like to extend my warmest wishes to you all on the beginning of our new academic year. I wish that the year 2021 brings lot of brightness in your life. So let's get started. Before going to start the lesson, let us learn some basic concept. Full form of IT. Information technology. I stands for information, T stands for technology. Information technology. Definition of computer. Computer is an electronic device which accepts data, process it and gives result or information. Okay, so this is the definition of computer. Computer is an electronic device which accepts data, process it and gives result or information. And one more important thing, you have to know the father of computer. Charles Babbage is regarded as father of computer. Okay, so Charles Babbage is regarded as father of computer. So let us start our concept. Lesson number 1, evolution of computers. This is page number 5. Evolution of computers. So in the present era, computer influence the field of education as well as entertainment. Yeah, so computer influence the field of education as well as entertainment. Earlier, computers were used only by scientists and engineers for complex calculations, and it was very expensive. Okay, so in earlier days, computers were only used by scientists and engineers, but nowadays everyone using the computers. Okay, so nowadays a computer can be afforded by small organization and even individuals. Nowadays computer can be afforded by small organizations and even individuals. Computer have now become a basic need because of their uses at almost every work. Okay, so comes a basic need because of their usage at almost every workspace. So computers are used extensively in banks, hospitals, media and entertainment. Okay, so where we are using computers? In hospitals, in banks, media and in entertainment also. Okay, as well as in schools, homes, space technology, research, booking counters, at railway station, airports, etc. Everywhere we are using computers. Okay, so computer is derived from the word compute, which means to calculate. Computer, but computer is not limited to a calculating device. Computers are versatile and can handle different applications at the same time. Yes, computers are versatile and is derived from the word compute, which means to calculate. Okay, computer is derived from the word compute, which means to calculate. Computers are versatile and can handle different applications at the same time. Do you know how computer came into existence? So the present day computer is entirely different from the earlier devices that were invented for doing calculation. Let us glance to the major milestones in the journey leading to the evolution of present day computers. Okay, so previously we were using the old versions of computer. Okay, so nowadays we are using latest technology computers. Okay, history of computers. Okay, so our topic is history of computers. The need to keep track of numbers led to the invention of different counting devices, right from abacus, the first counting device. Okay, so abacus was the first counting device. Many devices were invented leading to the development of computer. Okay, so abacus, the first counting device. Many devices were invented leading to the development of computers. Okay, so abacus is the first counting device. Next topic is 3000 BC abacus. Okay, first point. So this is the figure abacus. Okay, abacus was the first mechanical device for calculations developed in China. Okay, so abacus was the first mechanical device for calculation developed in China. Second point, it is made up of wooden frame. It is made up of wooden frame with rods, each having beads. So these are the beads, each having beads. The frame is divided into two parts, heaven and earth. Each rod in heaven has two beats. So this is heaven and earth. The frame is divided into two parts. First one is heaven and second one is earth. So each rod in heaven has two beats and the earth has 5 beats. It is used for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, it is used for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. A skilled user can solve problems nearly as fast as somebody with a calculator. Calculator. A skilled user can solve problems nearly as fast as somebody with a calculator. Okay, so in today's class we have learned the definition of computer and we have learned who is regarded as father of computer, Charles Babbage. Okay, and we have learned evolution of computer. First topic, history of computer and next 3000 BC abacus. Okay, so in the next class I will be doing the continuation of the remaining concept. I hope you understood today's class. Thank you.